start.
As many of us know, bees are vital for pollination. They pollinate almost 1/3 of all crops and more than 86% of all flowering plant species. However, there's another pollinator that is often neglected: flies. Flies are the second most important pollinator and are typically the main pollinator in high elevation ecosystems like our own mountain town. Bees and flies provide a critical ecosystem service at high elevations, yet climate change is threatening these species. With an increase in global temperature, it is predicted that species will need to move up in elevation to sustain current habitat requirements, or they must be able to adapt to their changing environments. So my research looked at 2 key traits that would allow species to adapt to their changing environments. I measured the body volume and body darkness of 107 different bee species and 96 different fly species to assess their variation in traits along this elevation gradient. I predicted that species would need to be larger and darker to adapt for their colder temperatures at high elevations. In insects, a larger body size allows for greater thermoregulation, and a darker body color allows for greater heat absorption. My research found 3 main results. First, bee body volume and bee body darkness increased as elevation increased. And at the highest elevation, we saw the largest and darkest individuals. Second, fly body volume and fly body darkness did not change along an elevation gradient. All communities sustained the same size and darkness. Finally, we found that body volume and body darkness were not correlated. This meant that a bee species did not need to be both large and dark. We are still looking at understanding why these fly species did not adapt to their changing environments. My research suggests that bees will likely adapt to their changing environments. However, flies have not shown such adaptation. Because flies are also limited to the highest elevation, it is likely that they will be the most susceptible by climate change. For this reason, I believe flies are really important to study. A decrease in fly pollination could dramatically alter the environments that they're in. For many plant species, flies are their only pollinator, and a loss of this pollination would have cascading effects on the environment around them.